Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this simple glam. Like, I would say this is more a glam look if you're on a time crunch. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So first, I'm going to put on some tape. We're not going to go in with any eyeshadow, not one. So I have the tape in the back of my hand. And then we're gonna go right into drawing a wing. I want this look to be pretty much very simple on the eyes and mainly focus on the lip. So I quickly just did my lashes and base off of camera. Now I'm going to go in with blush, and I'm going to be using Frat Boy by The Balm. Now I'm going to go in with some mascara, and I'm not going to do any eyeshadow on the bottom lashes. I want this to be simple but pretty glamorous at the same time. So I'm going to quickly set my face with some MAC Fix Plus, and then I'm going to go in with highlighter because I find this way it really makes your highlighter pop. I just recently remembered that I had this in my makeup collection and I remember loving it, so I want to see if I still have the same love for it. And it's the e.l.f. Baked Highlighter in Moonlight Pearls. I remember I used to go, like, it's pretty, has a pretty solid indent into it. Now for the main part is going to be lips, and I'm going to be doing a red. I'm going to be lining my lips with Wet n Wild's Red the Scene, and I'm going to be filling that in with NYX's Liquid Suede liquid lipstick in Kitten Heels. So I'm going to set my face one more time and then we are done. So that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye guys. I love the smell of MAC.